It seems like parents spend half of their time trying to get our kids to wake up and get out of bed, and the other half getting them to fall asleep or stay in bed. One way to minimize the stress of dealing with your kids' sleeping and waking habits is to provide them with a clock that allows them to regulate their habits on their own. The best kids' alarm clocks will promote a sense of independence or enthusiasm in your child. In this video, we show the best kids alarm clock. If you are new to our channel, will subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications of our new videos. So let's get started. Learning Resources Learning Clock. Introducing Talk the Learning Clock from Learning Resources. Kids master early time skills with Talk's multiple learning modes, which also helps build 5 motor skills. The clock can start the dance party with Talk's music mode, or turn the hands to answer Talk's time quiz question mode. Talk also features working a digital clock and OK to wait night. You know when it's time to get up. Pi Life Analog Alarm Clock. Analog retro style, mint green, as alarm clock can also be used as home decor. Alarm clock for heavy sleepers, mild loss hearing or even deaf. No snooze, good wake-up clock for people who has trouble waking up. The upgraded quartz movement is more energy-saving and durable than before. If you like this video, you must like and comment on this video. Kids alarm clock with dinosaur. 3 colors are available. Include manual, charging cable, and alarm clock. Clock with temperature display. Dual alarm modes for weekend or weekday settings. Six ringtones with adjustable volume. Help with sleep training. Energy-saving voice control. With USB, the clock will always be on. Works as a beside nightlight. Alarm has a snooze function. Book Unicorn Digital Alarm Clock. Sleep-friendly LCD backlit screen. Button to play unicorn sound effects. Alarm with adjustable volume and a choice of unicorn-themed ringtones. Snooze function and low battery indicator. Alarm can be stopped with a simple press on the top of the clock base or Hatch Rest Plus Kids Alarm Clock. The sleep device that does it all. More sleep, less gear. A better night's rest starts here. Little Hippo Mela Kids Alarm Clock. Mela is an alarm clock, sleep trainer, sleep sound machine, night light and nap timer rolled into one adorable package. Mela goes to sleep when your kid goes to sleep. Set the desired sleep time and Mela will do the rest. Mela lets your kid know when it's almost time to get up. When Mela turns green, it's time to wake up. By using a combination of facial expressions and bright colors, Mela teaches your kid when it's time for bed and when it's okay to wake up. Choose from a variety of nightlight color options and sleep sounds to create the optimal bedtime environment for your child. Mela doesn't just help your family sleep better at night. Mela's timer feature comes in handy for those midday naps, timeouts, and other timed play activities. Bunny Kids Alarm Clock. The night light is awakened 10 minutes before the alarm goes off. Shake it into snooze mode. The alarm goes off 5 minutes later. "30 or 60 minutes optional night lights turn off automatically. Adjustable volume. Stop light sleep enhancing alarm clock. Friendly sculpted figure. Digital clock. Optional yellow nightlight. Optional beeping alarm. Helpful instructions. Power cord and battery backup. Setting up is easy. If you like this product and want to purchase them, the links are given to description. Make sure to check them out. Kids alarm clock with Bluetooth speaker. Change light color. Adjust light brightness or turn off or on the light. Various lighting effects. Press M button to turn on the sound machine function. iCode time to wake alarm clock. Help your children to figure out the right time to get out of bed and start the day. With the iCode all-in-one kids alarm clock. This durable clock comes with all the necessary features to help your children regulate their sleep. Help your child regulate their sleep with the iCode all-in-one kids alarm clock. If you like this product and want to purchase them, the links are given to description. Make sure to check them out.